Hello guys, welcome to A Touch of Glam. My name is Leia and my channel is all about home renovations, room makeovers, decorate and clean with me, DIYs, and so much more. We have bought our forever house a year ago and so far we have renovated every room and space in this house except the laundry room and the bathrooms at this moment. When we bought this house, we knew it was going to be a huge project for my husband and I to turn this house into our home. One of that being is this backyard makeover. I am so excited to share with you all our first backyard makeover renovation video. When I started this channel, I was not able to show so many contents that we have already done to this house. This backyard makeover, we can fully show the actual before appearance of the whole backyard situation. We would love to take you on a journey with us as we slowly transform this backyard to a backyard of our dreams, in hopes to also maybe inspire you to also transform or make over your backyard with us as you come along. The first thing we had done to this backyard is to put a pool for us to enjoy in the hot Arizona summer weather. We are nearing the home stretch for this pool as we only have the pebble sheen to finish this pool project. It has been a very long 11 months process for this pool. The pool started out quick, but as soon as it was excavated, we waited about 5 months for the pool to be shotcrete, as Arizona had a huge amount of concrete shortage at the time it was excavated, and we waited another 1 month for the decking to be poured. Then after, we had more rain in the valley, delaying the other steps to get it done anytime sooner. But with all that being said, we are super excited that it's finally almost done and we cannot wait to enjoy this pool with our family and friends. I am also excited to partner with LOFTEK for this video. LOFTEK is a manufacturing company that offers LED light related products like their LED furnitures, LED cube, ice buckets, flower pot, garden planters, and so much more, like this LED waterproof ball that they have sent me for our pool. This LED ball light is the perfect addition to our pool for that ambient lighting effect at night. You can also use these ball lights as a path light, or if you want to use it as a night light in your room. They are color changing lights with just a touch of a button from the remote control that it comes with, and with multiple color mode selections and is fast and easy USB charging. They are waterproof and can completely float on swimming pool. This LED light ball is 8 inches big, but they also offer a 6-inch and a 12-inch size. I absolutely love this light and we cannot wait to use it for our pool once it's fully finished and filled. LOFTEK is also kind to provide my Glam family a 12% off discount if you choose to buy this product. I will leave LOFTEK's info in the description box below in case you are interested. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoy our first backyard makeover series as we plan to document our whole step-by-step process. This video is all about the before condition of our whole backyard and the pool part of this makeover. This is important for us to show you as we feel like you are with us through this whole journey as we achieve to make this backyard makeover together. Love you all, and we hope you enjoy this video.